Boom! Hey, welcome back everyone. Welcome Design Squad to this week's Design Tool Tuesday. And in this week's Design Tool Tuesday, I'm going to share with you the resources for starting your own design sprints. It's made by Google. And if you know this book, Sprint, it can help you to instill a new process within your organization of how to, let's say, run a design sprint and solve problems in just 5 days. You know how powerful it can be because you basically take the design thinking, which was usually run by designers, and then you can distribute it across in a multi-disciplinary team, and it has a really strict, specific structure of a design sprint. So I've been running design sprints for quite some time. However, the biggest challenge what I found and what, let's say, juniors and peers in my team found, they're not sure what sort of activities to run and how to run it, and also not sure what artifacts to use, how to structure everything. And so today I want to share with you a resource which is available from Google, from the same guys who wrote the book on design sprints. And they're providing with a kit which anyone can use immediately and start implementing in their organizations to run design sprint. And so if you go to designsprint.withgoogle.com or just Google this design sprint kit by Google, you're going to find this link where you land, and it's going to be a lot of explanation of what design sprint is. But I would recommend to use this tool instead and just read the book. In just a couple of days you're going to get exactly what's going on and how those 5 days have to be structured. But the point of this video is more tangible type of things, and if you go to this specific service for this kit, you're gonna find a lot of different resources. It's how to run, let's say, a 5-day design sprint, what sort of activities to run, communications you would want to send to your stakeholders, and so on. So it's really good. And as an example, let's say this doc template, which you can just download immediately. I just opened one of them, and it's the template you could just simply reuse and send out to your design sprint people exactly what we have to prepare, who's responsible for what actually part, and so forth. The actual service provides a treasure trove of different bits, and for example how to run a product sprint for 3 days as well. And I like that it's all, let's say, you can literally reuse these PPTs, presentation files, make your own, and just use their rationale, their thinking behind it to get the buy-in from, let's say, your product managers, from product champions, stakeholders, to actually run design sprint. Because to me the hardest bit usually is not running the actual thing, not facilitating it, but to convince them. And just having a deck which has been proven, which has a big names behind it like Google, allows you to do that and go, forward with convincing of the people. So, if you have any deck, and the more senior you're gonna become, you're gonna understand how important the decks are. You're just going to be way ahead. And so this is an example of, all the activities you could run in those bits. And since it's all free and it's all open source, you can also suggest your method of how you run design sprints, and if you need any adaptations so other organizations can learn, other designers can learn from you, or you can just reuse theirs and just add it to your needs. What I found with the book specifically is that it's quite dogmatic. There are some activities which obviously you need to adapt to your needs and to your organization needs or your client needs, but majority of the thing is quite built in stone. It's 5 days, taking it from problem framing to ideations and sketching and then prototyping, user testing, and you have only 1 day for each of these parts. However, it doesn't have to be. For example, in my current team, we reframed it into a design sprints plus opportunity sprints, where we actually, delve deeper, which aligns to our organizational goals and how we approach with the clients. And so using this type of kit gives you ideas of how you could do your recipe for design sprints is using how might we activity, or perhaps it's also using, let's say, lightning talks, or maybe not using any of them at all because it just doesn't work or people don't buy into it. So until you can convince other people, you just might not need to do it or might not want to actually add it into your agenda and schedule. And if if I would click into it, you're going to see that I'm going to have a PDF with a simple card you can simply print out, hand it over to participants and run it that way. And so once you have these, tens of different resources, you can structure your sprint the way you want to structure. Again, I would recommend to read the book first, explore this treasure trove of the resource by Google in the design sprint space, and then see if you can adapt, if you can maybe run 5 days or maybe just a 3-day product sprint, or maybe, you run some sort of your own version of a sprint. However, having resources is always great because you know exactly where to start. And as that famous saying is by Isaac Newton, that he was only great because he stood on the shoulders of giants. And so if you have time and industry proven assets for design sprints, you always step up and you can reuse it in your own need. So I hope it's useful. Again, explore design sprint book as well. We highly recommend it. If you like this video, give a like, subscribe to this channel, share with a friend, and stay tuned for more material. See you next time.